So in today's video, I'll show you guys how to make a monster truck, basically. How to make a monster truck in Untitled trip. So they added these wheels, and it's not a real car. You can just attach these wheels and it will make the car go better. I mean, it will make it look cooler, and it will make it go faster. So you can attach these wheels instead of these normal ones. First you have to detach them, then you can attach those wheels, and make sure to always put your cursor in the center when you're grabbing these, or else you'll accidentally remove the tire from the wheel, and then it's very annoying to put it on again. So yeah, place this. And yeah, a monster truck, well, it's not really a truck, but it still works. Now just let's fuel it up and try it out. Oh no. See, now that's happening. Oh, and it's inside the car. Okay, that's fine. Now let's just get this battery. Boom. Okay, I think that's all. Now let's try this out. Hold R. What the hell? Oh, right. Wait, what? Let's give the car a bit of a push. Okay, boom. Oh! So that's it for today's videos, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!